Continuity at a point. A function f(x) is said to be continuous at a point x बराबर a of its domain if and only if limit x tends to a f(x) is equal to fa. Thus f(x) is continuous at x बराबर a limit x tends to a f(x) is equal to fa. That is, limit x tends to a negative f(x) is equal to limit x tends to a positive f(x) is equal to fa. That is, left hand limit बराबर right hand limit and the function value are equal. If f(x) is not continuous at a point x बराबर a, then it is said to be discontinuous at x is equal to a. If limit x tends to a negative f(x) is equal to limit x tends to a positive f(x) is not equal to fa, then the discontinuity is known as the removable because f(x) can be made continuous by redefining it at a point x बराबर a in such a way that limit x tends to a f(x) is fa. if limit x tends to a negative, fx is not equal to limit x tends to a positive fx, then fx is said to have a discontinuity of first kind. A function fx is said to have a discontinuity of the second kind if and only if limit x tends to a negative fx or limit x tends to a positive fx or both do not exist. A function fx is said to be left continuous or continuous from the left at x बराबर a if and only if limit x tends to a fx exist, and second point is limit x tends to a negative fx is equal to fa. A function fx is said to be right continuous or continuous from right at x बराबर a if and only if limit x tends to a positive fx exist, and second limit x tends to a positive fx is equal to fa. Fx is continuous at x बराबर a if and only if it is both left as well as right continuous at x बराबर a. Algebra of continuous function. Let f and g be two real function continuous at x बराबर a, then f plus g is continuous at x is equal to a. F minus g is continuous at x is equal to a. F plus g is continuous at x बराबर a. F minus g is continuous at x बराबर a. Third point is alpha into x is continuous at x is equal to a, where alpha is real number. F into g is continuous at x is equal to a. Also 1 upon f is continuous at x is equal to a, provided f a is not equal to 0. F upon g is continuous at x is equal to a, provided GA is not equal to 0. Question. Test the continuity of function fx at x is equal to 0 given fx is equal to mod of x upon x is not equal to 0. This is 1 at x is equal to 0. Now left hand limit x tends to 0 negative fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 negative mod of x upon x. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 upon 0 minus h. This is equal to minus 1. Now right hand limit x tends to 0 positive fx. This will be limit x tends to 0 positive mod of x upon x. This is 0 plus h upon 0 plus h, that is 1. Now left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Therefore fx is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Question: so that the function fx given by fx is equal to x into sine 1 by x, x is not equal to 0 and this is 0, at x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 negative fx, that is limit x tends to 0 negative x sine 1 by x, this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 0 minus h, sine 1 upon 0 minus h, that is equal to 0 into an oscillating number between minus 1 and 1, this is equal to 0. Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 positive fx, this is equal to limit x tends 0 positive x sine 1 by x, this is equal to limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h, sine 1 upon 0 plus h, this is equal to 0 multiplied by an oscillating number between minus 1 and 1, and f0 is equal to 0. Therefore limit x tends to 0 negative fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 positive fx is equal to f0. Hence fx is continuous function. Question: examine the function fx given by fx is equal to cos x upon pi by 2 minus x, x is not equal to pi by 2 and 1, x is equal to pi by 2 for continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Now at x is equal to pi by 2, left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 negative fx, that is limit x tends to pi by 2 negative cos x upon pi by 2 minus x. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 cos pi by 2 minus h upon pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin h upon h is equal to 1. Now right hand limit x tends to pi by 2 positive fx is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus cos x upon pi by 2 minus x. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 cos pi by 2 plus h upon pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus sin h upon minus h is equal to 1. f 5 by 2 is equal to 1, that is given. Therefore left hand limit बराबर right hand limit is equal to f pi by 2. Hence the function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Question. So that the function fx is equal to 2x minus mod x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now fx is equal to 2x minus mod f is equal to, this will be 2x minus x is equal to 3x, x less than 0, and 2x minus x is equal to x, x more than equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 negative fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 negative 3x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 3 0 minus h is equal to 3. Now right hand limit x tends to 0 positive fx, this is equal to into 0 is equal to 0. This is 3 0 plus h is equal to 0 and f0 is equal to 0. Now left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f0. Therefore fx is continuous at x is equal to 0. Question: determine the value of k for which the function is continuous at x is equal to 3. Fx is equal to x square minus 9 upon x minus 3. X is not equal to 3 and k when x is equal to 3. Since fx is continuous at x is equal to 3, therefore limit x tends to 3 fx is equal to f3. Limit x tends to 3 x square minus 9 upon x minus 3 is equal to 3. This is therefore limit x minus, that is f3, x plus 3, limit x tends to 3, x minus 3 upon x minus 3 and f3 is equal to k. This cancel out, so 6 is equal to k. Fx is continuous at x is equal to 3 when k is equal to 6. Question: find the value of a if the function fx defined by fx is equal to 2x minus 1, x less than 2 equal to a when x is equal to 2 and x plus 1 x greater than 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2, left hand limit x tends to 2 negative, fx is equal to limit x tends to negative 2x minus 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0 twice 2 minus h minus 1 is equal to 3. Now right hand limit x tends to positive fx. This is equal to limit x tends to positive x plus 1. This is equal to 2 plus h plus 1 is equal to 3. Also f2 is equal to a since fx is continuous. Therefore, A is equal to 3. Question is, if the function fx given by fx is equal to 3ax plus b when x is greater than 1 is equal to 11 when x is 1 and 5ax minus 2b when x is less than 1 is continuous at x बराबर 1, then find the value of a and b. Now left hand limit at x is equal to 1, limit x tends to 1 negative fx is equal to limit x tends to 1 negative, and in this case fx will be 5ax minus 2b is equal to limit h tends to 0 5a 1 minus h minus 2b. This is equal to 5a minus 2b. Now right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus and function is fx, that is limit x tends to 1 plus 3ax plus b. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 3a 1 plus h plus b. This is equal to 3a plus b. Now fx1, that is given 11. Since function is continuous at x is equal to 1, therefore left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f1. Therefore 3a plus b is equal to 11 and 5a minus 2b is equal to 11. On simplifying we will get a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Question: if fx is equal to 1 minus cos 4x upon x square, x less than 0, and this is a when x is equal to 0, and root x upon root 16 plus root x minus 4 when x more than 0 is continuous at x बराबर 0. Find a. Now at x is equal to 0, left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus 1 minus cos 4x upon x square, limit x tends to 0 minus 1 minus 2 sin square 2x upon x square. This is equal to limit x tends 0 minus 2 sin square 2x upon x square. This can be written as like this. This is equal to limit h tends to 0. It will be 8 sin twice 0 minus h whole square upon 2x square. this is equal to 8. Now right hand limit, इसको लिमिट x tends 0 plus and the function is fx, this is equal to limit x tends 0 plus, that is root x upon root 16 plus root x minus 4 by rationalizing root 16 plus root x plus 4 upon root 16 plus root x plus 4. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 root x root 16 plus root x plus 4 upon, and it will be root x. This cancel out. Now limit h tends to 0 root 16 plus root 0 plus h plus 4. This is equal to 8. Now f0 is equal to a. Since the function is continuous, therefore a is equal to 8. Prove that greatest integer function is not continuous at integer point. Let fx is equal to greatest integer function x and k is any integer, then fx is equal to k minus 1 if k minus 1 less than or equal to x less than k, and k if k less than x less than k plus 1. At x is equal to k, left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to k negative fx. This is equal to limit x tends to k negative, that is k minus 1 is equal to k minus 1. Now right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to k positive fx, and this will be limit h tends to 0 k plus h, that is k. Therefore limit x tends to k negative fx is not equal to limit x tends to k positive fx. So fx is not continuous at x is equal to k. Question is, so that the function given by fx is equal to e की power 1 by x minus 1 upon e की power 1 by x plus 1 when x is not equal to 0 and it is 0 when x is 0. We have to take x equal to 0, then left hand limit is equal to limit x tends 0 negative fx. Limit x tends to 0 negative e की power 1 by x minus 1 upon e की power 1 by x plus 1. Now limit h tends to 0 e की power 1 by 0 minus h upon e की power 1 upon 0 minus h, here minus 1, here it will be plus 1. Now limit h tends to 0, 1 upon e की power 1 by h is equal to 0. This will be equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 upon e की power 1 by h minus 1 upon e की power 1 by h plus का 1. This is 0 minus 1 upon 0 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now right hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 plus function fx. This is equal to limit x tends to 0 positive, function is e की power 1 by x minus 1 upon e की power 1 by x plus 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0, e की power 1 upon 0 plus h minus 1 upon e की power 1 upon 0 plus h plus 1. This is equal to here divided numerator divided by e की power 1 by h. So this will be limit h tends to 0, 1 minus 1 upon e की power 1 by h upon 1 plus e की power 1 upon e की power h. This is equal to 1 minus 0 upon 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit at x is equal to 0. So function fx is not continuous.